Running a poll on Instagram is one of the most engaging ways to connect with your audience and get instant feedback. Whether you want to know your followers' opinions, crowdsource ideas, or simply add a little fun to your stories, Instagram's poll feature is both easy to use and highly effective. Let's break down exactly how you can create an interactive poll, maximize your reach, and use the results to boost your social media strategy with a little help from Famety. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture or the plus icon to add to your story. Capture a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery as the background for your poll. This is your canvas, so select an image or video that's eye-catching and relevant to your question. Remember, the more visually appealing your story, the more likely your audience is to interact with your poll. Next, look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Tap it, and you'll find a range of interactive options. Select the poll sticker. Now, it's time to craft your question. Keep it short, clear, and engaging. You only have so much space, so make every word count. For example, you might ask, "Which product should we launch next?" Or, "Do you prefer summer or winter?" Below your question, you'll see two answer options by default, yes and no. Tap on these to customize them. You can enter any two options you like, such as option A and option B, or even use emojis to add a playful touch. Once you're satisfied with your question and options, place the poll sticker anywhere on your story. You can resize and reposition it to fit your design. Add any extra text, stickers, or drawings to make your story stand out. When you're ready, tap Your Story or Close Friends to share your poll with your followers. Now, the fun begins. Your followers can vote with a single tap, and as the creator, you can see the results in real time. Swipe up on your story to view who voted for which option and how the poll is performing. This immediate feedback is a powerful tool. You can use it to adjust your content, learn about your audience's preferences, and start conversations. To get the most from your polls, consider a few simple strategies. Post at times when your audience is most active to maximize participation. Pair your poll with a compelling graphic or video to draw attention. And don't forget to respond to the results. Share the outcome in a follow-up story. Thank your followers for participating, and even shout out some of your most engaged voters. This makes your audience feel heard and valued, encouraging even more interaction next time. As Famety, we know that engagement is the key to growth on social media. That's why we offer a range of services to help your polls and your entire account reach more people. With our support, you can increase your story views, attract more followers, and boost your presence across all platforms. And if you ever have questions or need advice, our live support team is here to help you every step of the way. So, next time you want to connect with your audience, try creating a poll on Instagram. It's quick, fun, and incredibly effective for building your community. And with Famety by your side, you have all the tools you need to make every poll a success. Start your next poll today and watch your engagement soar.